The champ is here. Lee County has a state champion in individual bowling, capping off a successful bowling season for students across the district.
It felt like a dream come true. Just being out there and doing what I love and just winning it, it was a surreal experience.
Cape Coral High's Daniel Lynn won the Florida High School Athletic Association Bowling Championship in Orlando in an uphill climb to the top. Lynn ranked 12th in the state after the qualifier round. A strong ranking, but he says it came with a lot of pressure, something he embraced.
It gives me momentum and, I love it. I love the energy. I just go ahead when I'm up there, take my time, take a couple deep breaths, and just, focus. I tune everything out, and it's just me and the lane.
That momentum led him to pull off an upset of the number 5 bowler in the first round, then a win against the number 13 bowler. After that, an upset of the state's number 1 bowler. In the semifinal, he had to beat another Lee County student to advance to the final round. The game between Lynn and Mariner High's Trey Lemus was tied, and it came down to a roll-off, which is a match where bowlers roll one more frame and the highest score wins. Lynn and Lemus tied 3 times in the roll-off, then Lynn won in the 4th roll-off round. In the finals, Lynn bowled a 280, his best score of the tournament, to win it all.
It felt great. Just being able to represent Cape Coral High for the past 4 years, it's been an honor with all the coaches and friends I've built along the way. Being able to, make them proud and my parents proud, and just, being able to bring the trophy home.
The state title isn't the only thing Lynn won. He also led the Seahawks bowling team to a district championship three-peat. Lynn was one of 6 bowlers representing Cape Coral High and one of 13 representing Lee County. Mariner High's Trey Lemus finished in 3rd place, 9 bowlers finished in the top 100, and another bowler made school history.
When we need to get serious, we get serious, but I just feel like having fun is the most important thing.
Bonita Springs High senior James Tercios bowled a school record of 265 in a game, breaking his own record and earning 2nd place in the district tournament. That game punched his ticket to the state tournament, becoming the first bull shark to get there.
I genuinely had no idea, so when they told me that, I was like, oh, that's awesome. It made me very happy to know that I'm leaving my legacy at Bonita, which I hope makes people want to join bowling more.
Tercios finished 95th in the state tournament with a 633 score in 3 matchups, and he is thankful for the opportunity.
It was just so exciting just getting to go and just experience it. It's just an experience I wish anyone would experience.
We would also like to congratulate the other bowlers who made it to the state tournament, including 5 bowlers from Mariner and Casey Smith from Riverdale High. This is Adam Hodjost with Lee Schools TV.